Find the x and y intercepts of the graph of the equation algebraically. So there are three questions. Let's do part A. 3x minus 2y equals 6. To find x intercept, okay, for x intercept, all we have to do is plug in y equals 0 and solve for x. Okay, so this will be then 3x minus 2 times 0 equals 6. So 0 doesn't count. 3x equals 6, so x equals, divide by 3, 6 over 3, 2. So that's the x intercept. How about y intercept? All we have to do is plug in x equals 0 into the equation and solve for y. So x equals 0, so this is 0 minus 3 times 0 is 0 minus 2y equals 6. That's negative 2y equals 6. Negative 2 times y. So divide by negative 2. So y equals 6 over negative 2. Negative on the bottom, bring that to the front, 3. So negative 3 is the y intercept. Maybe we just want to write x intercept 2, y intercept negative 3. Let's do the same thing for second question, part B. Same thing again. For x intercept, we plug in y equals 0. Plug in y equals 0. So 0 equals x squared minus 7x plus 12. Okay, now we need to solve for x. It's a quadratic equation, so we will get 2x values. Okay, let me write down this polynomial in the left. I meant x squared minus 7x plus 12 in the left equals 0. Let's solve. This is a trinomial. Let's factor as a product of two binomials, x squared x, 12, 4 times 3, 12, and 4 and 3 make negative 7, so negative 4, negative 3. So we have a product of two things equals 0. Using the zero factor property, either x minus 4 0 or x minus 3 0. From this factor we get x equals 4. From this factor we get x equals 3. So we have two x intercepts, 4 and 3. Okay, next we need to find y intercept for this, and y intercept, so we just plug in x equals 0. Okay, so plug in x equals 0, we get y equals 0 square 0 minus 7 times 0 0 plus 12, 0 minus 0 plus 12, just 12. So y intercept is just 12. Let's go to the third question. Okay, same thing. For x intercept, we plug in y equals 0 and solve for x. Plug in y equals 0, we get 2x over 5 plus 0 over 3, 0 equals 6. That is same as 2x over 5 plus 0 doesn't count, 6. 6 is same as 6 over 1. Now we solve for x. We can cross multiply. Then we get 2x times 1 is 2x equals 30. Divide by 2, so x equals 15. So that is the x intercept. Now we find y intercept. For we plug in the x equals 0 and solve for y. Okay, so plug in the x equals 0, 2 times 0 over 5, 0, plus y over 3 equals 6, which is 0 plus 0 doesn't count. Y over 3 equals 6. Okay, so let me go down a little bit. This is same as y over 3 equals 6, and 6 can be thought as 6 over 1. Cross multiply, we get y equals 18. That is the y intercept.